What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Michelle, and I'm super excited today because today we're going to be playing around with Kylie Cosmetics. I've never tried any of her makeup, so I'm super excited to be trying her. This is her 24K birthday collection palette. This is on Ulta for $60. I did swatch a couple of the colors, but here is what it looks like. I absolutely love this palette. The tones, the colors in here is me all day. Like, I love these pinks. This would be great for like Valentine's Day, springtime, summer. Over here you could do like a fall look. I mean, this palette is very versatile. That's why I was like, well, I've never tried anything from her makeup line. Now, I have tried her skincare. I've tried her face wash. It's $24 for the face wash. I'm on my second bottle. I absolutely love her face wash. It's very good. It gets all the makeup and everything off. So I'm super excited to be trying this palette. It is a bit pricey. You do get 24 different shades in here. It has the shades written inside the pans as well as on the back. This is my first impressions, so I'm super excited. I got very high expectations for this palette because it was pricey. But again, I don't mind paying that type of price for something if I can get a lot of use out of it. And this palette, I mean, if the formula is good, I'm going to be able to get a lot of use out of it because you can use these for anything, any type of look. I mean, gorgeous. So I'm going to start out with this shade right here, which is Pull Up for my transition. And I already have my lids primed. Have you guys tried any Kylie Cosmetics stuff? Like, I know, of course, her lip products are where she started and everything. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried any of her makeup before. I would love to be able to try her lip products, of course. That's what she's known for, is her lip products. But I just wanted to try this eyeshadow palette because I know that I can get a lot of use out of this. And with this collection, she did have things like a highlighter, a lip oil, things like that. But I just got the palette because I know that I could get the most use out of this. And I don't expect it to be a bad formula. I expect it to be good. Well, that color blended out like a dream very well. Very little kickback in the palette. No fallout on my face, which is nice. So now I think I really want to use this Better Than Gold shade. It looks like a really pretty copper color. I really want to use that today. What is this Fine Metal? Ooh, that's a pretty shade. I should have went on here and swatched all of them, huh? Oh, beautiful. Let me see, what is Gold Fever? Gold Fever is pretty too. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do, is use Gold Fever, and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is Better Than Gold. They swatch so pretty. This one is Better Than Gold. This one is Gold Fever. And this one is Fine Metal. Like, they just have, is my camera focusing? They just have the prettiest sheen to them. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Better Than Gold color. And I'm going to put that on with a flat brush. Oh, that's so pretty. I wonder how my finger would do because they swatch on my finger so pretty. And I don't have long nails at the moment, which I will fix that soon, I promise. I actually ordered a nail kit off of Amazon. I think when I get it in, I haven't got it in yet. I'm going to get on here and film it for you guys, and then we can see how that's going to last. copper shade is so pretty. I want to use that Cheers the 24 as well, that darker. I'm going to put that on the outer corner. I'm going to use that Gold Fever, I think, for like the brow bone and the inner corner. I wish there was a black shade in here though. Only because my shirt is black and gold, so I can match it up a little better, but this brown is beautiful. These blend into each other so nicely. I'm going to put that Better Than Gold right underneath of my lash line. Well, that's such a pretty copper color. For the outer corner, I think I'm going to darken it up with this shade right here, which is Moments in Time. That is the darkest shade in the palette. Yeah, that looks better. Just darken up this outer corner. Okay, and then I'm going to use that Gold Fever shade right here. I'm going to use that for my inner corner and brow bone. These are so creamy. They just glide right on. Like, this eyeshadow look went a lot quicker than I thought it was going to because they just glide on so well. They blend together very nicely. This palette, I would say, is definitely worth your money because you can create some really pretty looks and the colors just blend out like a dream. I really can't wait to use these pink shades over here. I think that they're gonna be stunning. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and put on my eyeliner and my mascara, and this is the completed look. I love it. I absolutely love this palette. I think it is definitely worth your money. I could get so much use out of this palette because it has so many neutral tones in it. I mean, it has a few pops of color. I love all the gold shades in here. This is definitely like my type of palette. I love palettes like this, like absolutely. So I definitely see me using it for sure. I really do love these colors, and I actually cannot wait to use that pink one. I'm excited for that. So if you like these types of videos, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.